Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends, let's draw and color this kite.
Awesome! Awesome! Bravo! Perfect!
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
Cool.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Fantastic!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.